All right, thank you very much, Thomas. It's been over 2 years since the Escambia County Jail exploded, and those impacted by the blast are locked in a legal battle with millions of dollars on the line. News 5's Catrice Nolan got an update today from attorneys.
Over 300 pages filed in the settlement suit asking for $17.5 million. That affects over 600 people who were here that night the Escambia County Jail exploded. Attorneys with Michael and Booth are going over paperwork recently filed in the class action suit and settlement in the case involving the jail explosion in Escambia County. Over 600 people involved in the lawsuit, including the families of the 2 inmates who were killed, along with corrections officer Michael Hackinson, who was paralyzed in the incident.
People were killed. People were worried that they might die inside the jail. It leaves an emotional scar.
Trying to put a value on a man or a woman's loss of life is a failed concept. The best we can do is try to come up with compensation ideas.
And that compensation is about $17.5 million. But if granted by the court, it could still take months before families could see a penny. And if the settlement happens, they hope it will compensate people for what they lost after the blast.
So people who broke their arms, people who have had to have surgery because of shoulder or back or neck injuries. But there's also the emotional claims, so people who are suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
Now the firms have to go through each claim, but it saves the courts from dealing with hundreds of trials.
The defendants, in offering their money, are saying, look, rather than being subjected to 400 trials and 400 different interpretations of what justice really is, they're willing to say, listen, let's try to craft a resolution.
Reporting in Pensacola, Catrice Nolan, News 5.